everybody. Sorry about drinking my coffee. Yes, I'm drinking my coffee. So, before I do this unboxing of these Diamond Art Club paintings that I ordered, I want to tell all of you guys thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. When I started this channel, I did not think it was going to explode like it did. I've been crafting for over 51 years and making jewelry. That's what started it all. But I want to tell you guys thank you so much. So before I get into the unboxing of today's dual canvases, I'm going to throw on my readers. I want to welcome a bunch of the newest subscribers to the channel. Now, somebody asked me in an email yesterday, Richard, you didn't say my name in the new subscriber list. You guys have to have your settings on your YouTube account public so I can see, like when you hit subscribe, it'll come down to my side on my YouTube studio. So if not, just drop me an email, make a comment, just say new to the channel, you know, and I'll shout you out in the next video. But before let's, you know, I'm sitting here rambling, but before we get into opening this box, I want to welcome you guys, these new people, to the channel. So in no particular order, let's go with Crafting Mayhem and More with Kina. Kina and I have talked back and forth a couple times. She's really a cool lady. She's got a great granddaughter. Not great granddaughter, but a granddaughter who seems like just like a blast of a kid. So Linda R, Decide, Tink Molly, Color and Chat with Joanna, Vincent Valentin or Valentine. There's no E, so I think it's Valentin. He subscribes to my book channel too, so I'll give you guys a link to that channel right down here. I'll put it across the screen right here. Felicity Dunk, Diana Wetstein, Lily, Linda Diamond, Josephine Fox, Wendy 13069, Barbara Ball, Angela Sagarsi, Amy LeBlanc, Sylvia Mayo or Mayo, Kelly Ross, Rick Rossner, Linda Hughes, Crafting by Crystal, Crystal Diamanda or Diamanda. You could say it either different ways, I guess. Kelly Roth, West Aussie Diamond Art. That one was a tongue twister for me. Budgeting Mimi, Emma 76, and Anthony Rogers. You guys, welcome to the channel. I'm the crazy one that talks about all this crafting stuff. Yes, a lot of you have been asking me, Richard, when are you going to start teaching us, you know, some jewelry stitches? It's coming up, I promise. I do have a couple more tips and tricks on diamond paintings, and I want to show you a couple really cool little things that everybody has in their house that makes diamond painting super easy. What else did I want to say now that I've got your attention? I do, I think. You guys, let's just get to today's unboxing. Come right back after the intro. Okay, so let's get to opening these two canvases. I know there's two in here because I did look at my order. So let's see what we got. Yes, I'm using my ceramic cutter. I love this thing. So, let's see what's in here. Yep. Okay. Oh my God. Don't you guys love when you get something from this company? I do. So, let's open. I want to see this one first. So I ordered these. I had a big discount and I used some of my rewards points. But, of course, these are both Mandy Manzano prints. She's my favorite diamond painting artist. You guys, there's nothing like a diamond art club. Do what makes you sparkle. So here is the kit. And in their kits, they're pretty standard, but they do give really cute heart wax, which I like. I don't use these, I just throw these away. There's 2 hearts. You always get 2 hearts per painting. They do give you tweezers, which are very, very good ones. These are very, very, very sharp. Here's a standard pin, 2 hearts, a small tray. I don't use that tray. I do use their hearts though. Rubber grip. And my favorite kind of tip, the narrow ones. These are actually narrow. They're a lot narrower, which I like a lot. Oh, you guys get to hear the kitchen sink gurgle. Sorry if that comes up on the video. So let's get these unrolled. I don't want to show you what this is. This is like going to a candy store for me, I swear, I'm not joking. So this one is, I better get my glasses, hang on. This one is 20.5 inches by 28 7/10. So it's a 52 centimeter by 73 centimeter. Do what makes you sparkle. Oh my God. So, let's re-roll this. I just do this because it makes it adhere the plastic just a little bit better. And being a DAC, oh my God, she's gorgeous, you guys. This is the Little Mermaid, but she does not look like the Little Mermaid that we know from the Disney movies. Now, if you can tell, the canvases are incredibly clear. DAC has got to be the best on the market. They're like a velveteen on the back, but I've told you guys all that before, so you know that. She is beautiful. She's absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to start this. Oh, this is the one Disney movie, whenever I watch it, or see the stage show live, whether at Disneyland or Disney World, I ball. Here's the drills. It is a square drill. The colors are so vibrant, incredible. Here is the sticker. This is the sticker. Some people put their start date, their end dates. I tend to do these really quick while I listen to audiobooks. And speaking of audiobooks, I'm going to put a link down at the bottom in the basement to my BookTube channel. So I do have a video coming up on how to get free audiobooks. So there's the Little Mermaid. She has got 42 colors by Mandy Manzano. You guys, you can never go wrong with a Mandy Manzano. She's absolutely beautiful. So there's that one. Let's get this rolled back up. Once you start to roll up, it's pretty easy. Just make sure you don't have any bends or folds in it. They will tend to stay that way. I like to throw them back in their bags. Some people just throw the bags away. I don't, because I'm working on so many books, so little time right now. I'm more than 3/4 of the way done. So we are going to package Hans Christian Andersen's The Little Mermaid back up. Cannot wait. I know, I keep saying I'm going to do a work in progress video. So let's get into the opening of this one. Another Mandy Manzano. I'm going to use my little ceramic knife. I don't know how I ever got away without using one of these things. So let's take this off. I get so excited whenever I get a Mandy Manzano thing. Let's pull this one out. And this one is a 51 by 76. So it's 20 inches by 30 inches. Now this one is for a Christmas gift for somebody. Hopefully that person is not watching this video. But, oh my God, I'm excited. So, do what makes you sparkle. I'm gonna unroll this. I'm gonna pull out the drills. Here's the drills. The colors in this are really kind of, how do I say it? They're not muted. It's just, it's a complete different painting. It's a very, what would I say? Somber? Oh my God, it's beautiful. So, the title of this painting is Once Upon a December. Now what this is taken from the movie, the cartoon version of the musical of Anastasia. And, oh wow, she's beautiful. This has 40 colors. She's absolutely beautiful. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. So, this is absolutely gorgeous. The person that I'm making this for is gonna love this. This is her favorite song from the musical, and wow, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So here's the title sticker and the start and end date. So she's really, really, really pretty. And if you guys can notice, I don't know if it shows on camera or not, but every Diamond Art Club canvas that I've ever done has always got this micro fine sparkles in the canvas. So especially like this one is a round drill, whereas the other one is a square. But this, when you do the rounds, the sparkles pop up around each stone, so it just makes the painting sparkle. Now if you notice the sparkle in the canvas, but each stone placement has a little circle, it doesn't show. So once you put your stone on, if you've never done a Diamond Art Club, the stone actually covers these up perfectly. So as you can see, it looks like there's going to be a lot of confetti in here, which I love. I love doing paintings that have confetti, just because it shows the detail of the artist's work so much better. So you guys, that is my opening of these two canvases. I'm really, really, really looking forward to starting both of them. This one I got to get done before Christmas, get a frame ordered, and you guys, like always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day-to-day to watch me and talk about what makes me sparkle, and that's doing a Diamond Art Club diamond painting. Now, I do want to say something. Diamond Art Club, people have asked me, Richard, are they really worth the money? They are a little bit, tend to be more pricey, but the quality of their canvases and their drills are absolutely worth it. Their customer service is incredible, and I'm not affiliated with Diamond Art Club anyway. I'm not getting paid for this. I just, I stand behind what I love, and I love DAC. So you guys, that's me talking. I've talked enough about this beautiful painting and the Little Mermaid, which I am going to keep. That'll be framed and go in my Disney room. So, hey, you guys, if you haven't done so already and you love to do anything that makes you feel creative, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down there in that corner, wherever it's at, right down, somewhere down here, or down there. But there'll be a subscribe button. Ring that bell to turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on anything sparkly or creative. I'm Richard. You guys take care. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.